Aikisionade ekato ngonlo ka polio anede jasi dweli kari kanyikwap nyesida geo na natari Uganda kere. Ido Dr. Hangs lokale lode ya itino angale Omoroto district nyesida bui Esinyikoikin auriak kere aidareun ekato loto manorere aikech nare beiti muroka irimor aikore ekato.
We are targeting children between the ages of 0 to 59 months or 5 years and below. And so the program is running for 3 days, today, tomorrow and Sunday. And it's a door-to-door campaign, so you don't have to look for us, we will come to your home. But this particular day is a little bit unique because most of the children are in school. So that's why we're in schools today. And then tomorrow, we will be moving from door to door. And for the others in the Manyatas who probably haven't brought their children to school, the exercise is already ongoing.
Ide ngare no koluda poti tegia saina peta noda ikise katolo anede jasi dweli kari kanyikwapo kesda poti gangata omishoitina obakas da bonebe erainari renguna e polo no ya nede jasi dwelu didi.
Support this program because there is danger ahead. That's why the reason is done. I look at two issues in this exercise. A child who is a seed for tomorrow is to be prepared to become a better seed. That's why there is that's why I support this program.
And we are very optimistic we shall meet our target at the end of the exercise after 3 days. We are very committed. All the district leaders have moved to the field.
In Karamoja we work as a team and we make sure that all government programs are implemented so that Karamoja is on the same level with any other part of the country. And today, mass vaccination against polio, we all participated to make sure that all children in Karamoja are vaccinated.
Ida kalo nete gyare kato loto mano somero imuro kolo angale anatari Moroto district akere kesda poto giasa irimor tomano chalo anoda ikise kato ara ideja irimori tena imuro ko kesda bakasda bonebe eterekina keskida chunzi na ada epol neda duche lo sotor keso reria idom mamado muno edio uriani lebune ngarakini kesi.
Limokna manaja ale kudire yelo feila ana kai yezinaga yezada yezada khona ada peto kaina kaler kakin zaki yada amamro be me kokuna ya mamtarni ara to to ontarga mutani ya shuari
Ido lode rai RDC James Ashilaku nyesdo bwe mani tunga lude lose igurube chuka kirom ai tolitola inapeta nude ekato kalo.
I want to caution those who go around the campaigning the vaccine that you are against the government policy, and if you are going to doing that, you will be dealt with accordingly within the law.
Idwe lude bete ikise kato kesde dole tene peta ilukumini unioto mano Moroto ide pota ina peta no ayanga ikine peta aparashia uni ebe ikebe mami dwe lukere irika kina eponyo dokwa na yata kina che parasha Godfred Eyoku TV East Moroto.